Hi there, it's Pascal here. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about why so many people um, who look to start businesses online don't start. And for that reason, people go to their grave with their dreams. In this video, you're going to learn what is the real thing behind what stops people from actually creating any meaningful change in their life. So that if you understand this very simple principle, you will not be a victim of yourself. Now, if you're looking at the current economic climate that we are all in right now, a lot of people have come to realize that it's really possible to make money online. It's really possible to literally start a business online. It's not before it used to be that it was a scam, but from these recent times we've seen more and more people are literally building businesses online. But why is it that still so many people that have got very good talent, so many people that are graduates, that they have the right education, the right mentality, they are computer literate, but yet they have computers, laptops sitting around in their house, they can't use it to earn extra income to support their family? What is the real reason? I'm gonna share that with you. Listen, I always try to make things very, very relatable. One key principle you are going to learn is how to eliminate procrastination. I'm going to explain it. I'm going to say that again. Eliminate procrastination. Now, as I was coming down this month, I said to myself because I want to grow my YouTube channel. And the only way I'm going to grow that YouTube channel is if I post videos every day. Then obviously every day. Now, what the challenge is, what topics will I talk about? What am I going to be sharing on my YouTube channel? A lot of people get into this hang of trying to figure out what product can I sell, what is how can I source for this product, all these things that hold people back. But the real reason is of that procrastination is lack of action. As I was to post a video on my YouTube channel, the first step is to record the video. Now, a lot of people get into the idea of they need a camera, they need high-tech equipment, they need all the lights to make it happen. Now, all those things are great, but you still need to understand, why haven't many people who look to start businesses online start? Why is that? Is there's a voice in our head that keeps telling us, you need that, you need this, you need to know this before you start, you need to know this before you start. Let's, for example, as I was walking, as I was doing my morning exercise, I just ran down about 30 minutes run, and I said to myself, I'm gonna post a video on my YouTube channel sharing whatever I'm doing. Now, the voice in my head started telling me that same thing, that same demon in started telling me, all right, don't worry, when you sweat, you can post a video. Then I ran like 20 minutes, I started sweating. I said, okay, let me pause now and shoot this video. And the voice said, no, when you get towards the end of your house, you can record the video. And I was getting close to my house. The voice the voice started telling me again, don't worry, when you bath now, you will look fresh and you will be able to look good on camera. And I said to myself, this is that thing, this is that thing that holds people back. It's literally in everybody's head. And I paused and said, I gotta take action. I have to take action. So I started thinking of, what topic would I say? What would I say? You know, all these things started coming. You're not prepared yet. You don't. There's no script. I said no. This is all excuses trying to push me to procrastinate shooting this video. I said, you know what? I'm gonna share exactly what's happening to me. So if and I put out my camera, that's why you're watching this video. If not for me taking action instantly, you wouldn't be seeing this video that you're watching right now. So what I'm saying to you is very simple. Ask yourself, what exactly are you procrastinating on? What exactly is holding you back? Is it that there is no training to help you use the computer you have in your home to earn income online? Is that the problem? Is it that there is no product to sell online? Is that the problem? Or is there something in your head telling you to wait for the perfect opportunity? This is not the right time. I haven't got the money. I don't have the time. I can tell you now, if you keep following that voice, it will keep leading you to procrastinate and watch. If you look at over your life, you will see that you are where you are because of this inner voice keeps letting you drift on along life. And this is what held me back for 7 years. That's why I love SFM's training in module 2. They help you start understanding this inner voice. They put things in place to help you overcome it, because that's the only way you're going to change anything that you're looking to increase your income, start Amazon FBA business, start affiliate marketing, do whatever, post, launch your products on YouTube. That's the only way you are going to literally do that, is by understanding that inner voice and go and seek for help if you need to. So for me, I'm done today. I'll do the same thing again because I know that voice is still gonna come out again in the morning. I'll override it again, and that's the secret right there. Because the strangest secret is literally about changing your habit. So if I do this over a 30-day period, just keep monitoring my thinking, monitoring consciously, just keep monitoring what's going on in my head. If I keep doing that and keep taking action, not just monitor it, take action, override it, within a very short period of time, I will begin to create that life that I truly want. I will begin to create that YouTube channel that I want. I will begin to write that blog that I want. I will begin to build that business that I want. Its success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. They say a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. And I think the first step is to think about what are you been procrastinating on, and ask yourself and deep down. And that's where you need to work on, literally work on that. This is what I share. People ask me what's the secret. I tell you, this is my secret. I don't have anything else blueprint again to show you. If you can literally do this, apply it in any area of your life, you will get the result. If you have any ideas of anything that you do to override this inner voice that helps you create massive changes in your life, please leave the comments in the description, because people that watch these videos, they get some value out of it. In that way, you are literally helping others create change in their life. Apart from that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like what I'm sharing, and hit that like button. And obviously, um, if you want to know more about use the same training that I use, there'll be links around this video that will guide you to some free videos that I use to help me build this online business that people think I'm lucky. I'm not literally lucky. You are the one that is lucky to stumble on this information I'm sharing you. Just apply this simple thing and your life will begin to change. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. I wish you and your family all the best. Take care. Bye-bye.